Okay, hello everyone. I'm doing a color change on a 1974 Plymouth Duster. Taking all the trim out, trying to make this thing look like it was painted from the factory, the Code E7. It's a burnished red metallic. And, taking the quarter glass trim out, the quarter glass and the trim that goes around the door. It took me a little bit to figure it out, but I finally got it. I thought I'd share with everyone. What I did first off, there's several screws up there here that are Phillips. See, I'll try to count them right quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, approximately 14 there. Okay, so I first started out, I took them out from here, got up to this point. All right, there's 2 screws here that go up and down. These holes over here were some little plastic rivets that held a rubber seal in. The 2 Phillips screws here, a number 2 Phillips head, will take them out. All right, and there's 2 right there. Now those 2 are what holds this quarter glass in. Also, I'm going to show you that little piece right there. There's a long Phillips screw. It's about 2 inches long. Let's see if I can find it. There it is in that bag right there. That screw went in right over there. To be honest, sorry, I can't tell you. Right there. See that hole right there? That's where it went. Okay. That comes in from the inside of the car. And it's at the back corner of the quarter glass. Alright, so I took out, like I said, these screws here first. And I got up here and I figured out I need to take these out. And there was 2 up here. And I found that one in there. And where it got a little tricky, it was all the sealant that's on here. It was kind of hard to get out. And you got to be really careful doing it. But I took the screwdriver, this big one right here, and I stuck it right there, which was in between the body, right here. And I just kind of gently kept prying it out a little bit at a time, and the bottom of the quarter glass started inching its way out. And I kept thinking, well, there's a screw someplace holding it, so I kept checking this rubber seal around there. There wasn't any screws there. And then I found these screws up here that had some sealant all over them. I got them loose, but it still didn't want to budge. So I had to take the screwdriver and get up under it like that and just kind of push and twist the screwdriver. Sorry, my camera's not focusing. But got the screwdriver up there and pushed it, kind of just gently twisted it. And it slightly bent this piece downward a little bit, but I was able to straighten it up and it didn't do any drastic damage. But after I got that bent down, then I was able to get my hands back here on the corner, and then my other hand up here on this part, and I just kept wiggling and pulling it out. And I also kept taking the screwdriver, kind of inching right there, and I finally got it to come out of there. So that's how you get all that out. Thought I'd share. If you like what I'm sharing here, like and subscribe to my channel. Hope I can help people out. You guys have a good day.